Hey first grade friends, I'm here doing math lesson 8-4 called Sharing Paper Squares. And you should have this paper from your paper packet with you because this is what we're going to do together today. So if you need to pause the video to get this paper, please go grab it. Alright, so here's the problem at the top of our paper. We're going to be using the things that we learned in the last two lessons about halves and fourths. Remember, we were doing equal shares, 2 equal shares, or 4 equal shares, making sure every person got the same amount. So we're going to use what we learned there to solve this problem today. Should be pretty quick. 2 girls share 1 paper square. 4 boys share the same size paper square. Tell who will get a larger share of paper, 1 boy or 1 girl. Make a drawing of the problem and explain your, your answer. Allergies are fun. Okay, so what Miss Lumpson's going to do is I'm going to get 2 different colors so that I can do the boys in this blue color and I'm going to do the girls in my purple color. So it says 2 girls share the same size square as 4 boys. So we need 2 of the same size squares. So I'm going to use my big open bottom and I'm going to draw 1 square in 1 color. And then I'm going to draw the same size square in another color. Wow, my colors kind of look the same. I should have picked better colors. That's alright. I'm going to label it boys and girls so that I can tell them apart. So this is what you should have too. 2 of the same, almost the same, try your best, size square, girls and boys. Now we have to think, how many girls are there? Let's reread. 2 girls share 1 paper square equally, right? So when we cut this girl's square, we're not just going to give one girl one tiny little corner and the other girl the rest. So think about how you could split that first top square equally for 2 people to share. There's lots of different answers, so I want you to draw yours, and then we'll see if we drew the same one. Okay, this is how Miss Lumsden chose to split her paper for the girls. So 1 girl will get this side, and 1 girl will get this side. And since we're doing 2 equal shares, and we learned about this last week, that those are called halves. So 1 girl will get a half, and 1 girl will get the other half. Okay, so now for the boys. The boys have the same size, but there's 4 boys. So we need to share it equally 4 times. So you draw your square, split it up, and share it 4 times. This is how Miss Lumsden chose to do it, those 4 equal. So 1 boy will get this, 1 boy this, 1 boy this, and 1 boy this. So now we have to answer who's going to get the bigger piece, a boy or a girl. To help with this, I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to shade in one of the pieces for the girl so that I can tell how big this girl's piece is going to be. Just one of the halves, not the whole thing. Because remember, they're sharing it, so 1 of the halves. So you can see that shaded spot, that is what 1 girl would get. Okay, now I'm going to do the same at the bottom for the boys. I'm going to shade in 1 of the pieces so that I can see what 1 boy would get. Now you can tell by looking at these drawings, who do you think gets a bigger piece, this girl or this boy? Now, if it was too hard for you to tell, you could even cut out your pieces and try and lay them on there. But you could see pretty easily with these 2 next to each other that the girl's piece is much bigger. And why do you think that is? If you think, the girl only had to share with 1 person, and the boys have to share with 3 other people. So if you have the same size thing and you're sharing with more people, you're going to get a smaller piece. It's just like if you have a party and there's pizza, if you only invite 2 friends to the party, then the 3 of you get to share the whole pizza. But if you invite 10 friends to the party, you have to give up some of those slices of pizza for those other friends so they can eat too. So that's what we learned today, that if you have more people to share with or more shares that you need to split it up with, you're going to get a smaller piece. All right, good work. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.